guys, it's me again, Maria, and welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, as promised, I will give you the part 2 of the day 1 for Bohol Plant Expo at Galleria Luisa Mall. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button beside it so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you are interested, then keep on watching. So after lining up and waiting for your turn to get in, you will see this very first shop at the right corner, and this is the MOI-MOI plant organizers. They are having a lot of plant stands that you can choose from according to your designs. They will also give you the flyer where you can choose. And they're having it in 3 different colors, which is the gold, white, and black, and they can totally amp up the vibe of your home. So we'll move on to the next shop right here beside MOI-MOI Plant Organizer. And the name's Claudia Mini Garden, in which you can check their Facebook, the link down below. And some of their collections include fiddle leaf, black prince, Calathea orbifelia. They also have Perkins and Calathea crimson. So if you're looking for some rare plants, you can come here and check them out. You don't need to keep on asking the people inside the booth because each of them has a tag which has its name and price on it. You will definitely have a lot to choose from in here because they are having plenty of plants with them, different kind of plants, and they also have this huge cobra fern. I'm pretty sure that this is a little bit pricey, but it's totally worth the price because it's so beautiful, and still having a lot of stocks here below the table. Oh my god. And again guys, this is Claudia's Mini Garden. You can check them out on Facebook.
Nora, 1-4.
So let's move on and go to the next plant shop, which is the Urban Jungle Bohol. And this one here that stood out from the others is a variegated money tree.
Variegated yung money tree, sir.
Ah, okay, money tree. Tago. Asa taguin tunnel? Amo ni taguin tunnel. Woo!
I'm not sure if this is the most expensive here in the expo, but definitely it is one of them.
Hoy, bye mo. Kaway mo kay apel mo sa vlog ani.
Subscribe this channel. Jungle Bohol.
Shout out kuno kay Janelle o kang AJ. Mao na sila ka gunit sa kinamalang kung tanong man ni ron.
Aside from this variegated money tree in this corner, they also have a lot to choose from here. They have this fiddle leaf fig, a very healthy one with shiny leaves.
Pila na eh? 4,000 ka na eh? 6,006.
The rubber plants are stunning, and most of their plants are in fiber pots, so they are really perfect for your indoor gardening. They also have radicans and a lot of monsteras, different varieties of monsteras. So visit Urban Jungle Bohol at the Alley Building in Tagbilaran Street, Tagbilaran City when you can't make it here up to the 25th.
Pila mo white wizard, ma'am?
Ha?
Pila mo white wizard?
Ito, 4-5, pero sold na yan. Ito, 3-5. And now we've moved on to the next shop, which has varieties of sansevierias and varieties of philodendrons as well. I'm seeing a lot. So this shop is Verde. I'm seeing philodendron gloriosum, philodendron Pearl Max that is variegated, and there is also philodendron painted lady in here. So if you are into rare philodendrons, come on and drop by at Verde, and you can also check them out at the Facebook link that I will put down below. They are crowded with so many rare philodendrons here, and some of them are, wow, I think this is philodendron golden dragon, and this is the very first time that I'm seeing it in person. It's variegated. They also have plant stands, and I think these are rattan plant stands. I'm not sure though, but they are beautiful as well and perfect for your indoor gardening. And I think I'm seeing a variegated red gun. They have a lot of variegated Pearl Max here. Oh my god, I can't dare to ask the price. So if you're up for something variegated and something rare, guys, oh my god, they also have this philodendron red heart with them. Oh my god, and there are a lot of bonsals as well. So guys, come and check out Verde for all of your rare cravings. I don't have the courage to ask for the price of each pot that I'm seeing, and I tend to love because I know I cannot buy this at this time. Oh my god, the philodendron red heart. Oh my god, the pink princess. Oh, I'm drooling. 2-5. Reserve.
Ito ang ganda.
Alin, ay Milano. Hindi ito, red heart. Ah, yung red heart. I'm really drooling here, guys, and this golden dragon here is also known as lime fiddle. And I strongly believe that this is the philodendron minarum with lime green and minty mottled variegation. And this enchanting beauty here is something that I am seeing for the first time. I'm not sure if this is the PLANTZILLA or the philodendron mimei. Please do correct me. This booth right here is so crowded with unique plants that would surely satisfy your love for greenery. Hey there, subhastatum. I'm sure this is subhastatum. And oh my god, I'm drooling. I don't know. They have a lot here. They are so crowded. There is also this monstera with a cocoa bowl. It's really hard to tell which is which. They are all captivating, and I so love to have them all. I'm seeing a monstera thigh constellation, which is also up for grabs. They have it here, and then there's Linnae. They really have a lot. If you're really planning to be here, this booth is a must-see, so come here. They'll be here up until Sunday. So guys, don't forget to check out Verde here at Galleria Luisa Mall up until Sunday.
Itong constellation? Kuha ko video ha. Namay kuan card na kuan. May ko yung ko isa. Okay. Okay.
So guys, they are so kind for giving us a favor, and this booth right here is the green box. They are so cool. They also have hanging plants. Oh my god, and they also have the philodendron red heart here. They also have varieties of philodendrons in a line here, and there is a calathea as well. Guys, if you're like us and you are into philodendrons, then you really have a lot to choose from here because most of the exhibitors are having philodendrons with them. So guys, let me take you with me as I get into this booth, and they have here the fiddle-leaf fig, stable and healthy, and they also have a lot of gloriosum here. They're really perfect for your indoor gaming, and they also have below here the calathea or biphelia and pots of sansevierias at the bottom. So guys, don't forget to check out the green box here at Galleria Luisa, or you may message them at their Facebook page, and it is linked down below. A velvet anthurium is also here, the Anthurium magnificum, and they also have the monstera thigh constellation, guys. So yun guys, walang tapon sa lahat ng mga shops dito. They are all having those plants that are rare and you will surely love. So come on and visit here. I feel so blessed that I get to witness this type of expo because I get a chance to see the plants that I'm only seeing in the internet or in Facebook, and now they are all right in front of me. Oh my god guys, pero na lang talaga ang kulang.
Ano sa di ma'am?
Pink Princess, class A.
Class A.
Oh my god, Pink Princess Class A. I feel like my Pink Princess is Class Z. And there is also this philodendron golden serratum here. Oh my god. The feeling of seeing the plants in person rather than just seeing them on the internet is really inexplicable. You don't have to worry, guys. There are so many plants here that are having cards with them and with their names written on it. And if a small Pink Princess is not enough, then there is a big one available here. There is also the Radican and the Berde. Well, guys, it's really up to you. I'm sure you will have a hard time. So again, guys, do not forget to check out the green box here at Galleria Luisa. And let's move on to the next shop. Okay, now guys, we are moving on to Janelle Drewes, and this is a home of fiber cast pots. They are having varieties of fiber pots available here, so it's up to you. And they all have these tags for an easier access of the price. If you wish to have a minimalist look in your home, then go for fiber pots from Janelle Drewes. Their collections match with Desert's Pond, so I believe that the arrangement of the booths here are really planned according to the types of plants that they will be displaying. The bonsals here are so attractive, so whatever types of plants you are into, this expo got it all for you. Calling all those who love to have green plants on their table, then these are perfect for you. Oh my god, there are also flowering ones. I don't get to see this type of plants because we are into philodendrons, but these are also beautiful. If you are into plants that really bloom, then get these types of plants. They're perfect for your indoor gardening and also in your office tables. So yun guys, do not forget Janelle Drewes here for your fiber cast pots and also the type of bonsals that you will surely love. So yun guys, a big thanks to Bohol Plants, Flowers, and Herbal for Sale and Trading for bringing us this Bohol Plant Expo. Kudos to Rude Plant, to Garden of Eden from Tutulandawi's Bohol, to Urban Jungle Bohol at J. Clarin Street, to La Verde, to Janelle Drewes, and hinihingal na ako. Also, thank you to Bohol Happy Pots, to RINETTE'S Box, and it's RINETTE'S Green Alley here on the expo, to Desert's Pond, to Claudia's Mini Garden, to Blooms and Prickles, to MOI-MOI Plant Organizers, to JARDIN de GAVIN, to NIFTY Interiors and Creations, to AVELOSOME Blossom, and to the Green Box. So calling all the plantitos and plantitas here in Bohol, they will still be here at Galleria Luisa Mall up to the 25th of this month. And if you wish to check them out on Facebook, do not forget to click on the description box where you can see the links of their Facebook pages. Do not forget to wear your face mask, wear your face shield, and bring your own alcohol with you. Observe social distancing at all times. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you for making it till the end. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA Bohol. Please also subscribe to Miss Jenny Abelius' channel. Shout out to you, ma'am. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon beside it so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till the next video, bye!